12.1 Dilations. A dilation in the coordinate plane. A dilation with a scale factor of k will be an enlargement or image larger than the original if k is greater than 1. It'll be a reduction or an image smaller than the original if k is between 0 and 1. And if k is equal to 1, it's the exact same size. And you can technically do dilations around any point. We are going to be doing dilations around the origin. So we're just going to always, everything will go out from the origin. So if it says a dilation of 2, so that's our k, that's our scale factor, or our scalar. Okay, and all you're going to do is multiply each coordinate. Okay, so you're going to multiply each coordinate by 2. So you can always list these out. So Q is at 0, 1. So when I multiply that by 2, Q prime becomes 0, 2. D is at 1, 0. So when I multiply that by 2, D prime would be 2, 0. And Y is at 1, 1. So Y prime would be at 2, 2. Okay, so 0, 2 is Q prime. 2, 0 is D prime. And 2, 2 is Y prime. Okay, so it's twice as big. All right, a dilation of 1/2, so we're going to multiply by half. Okay, so let's see, U is at negative 2, 2. So when we multiply that by a half, U prime would be at negative 1, 1. V is at 0, 3. So V prime would be at 0, 1 and 1/2. K is at 2, 0. So K prime is going to be at 1, 0. And G is at 0, negative 2. So G prime is going to be at 0, negative 1. Okay, so it's going to make it smaller. So let's see, negative 1, 1 is U prime. 0, 1 and 1/2 would be V prime. 1, 0 is K prime. And 0, negative 1 is G prime. Okay. The next one says write the description. So we have to see how far it's gotten bigger or littler. So here our pre-image is the big one and our image is the smaller one. Okay, so this is going to be, we're going to have a dilation between 0 and 1. And then we'll have to fill in that number. So then we pick one of our coordinates. So, and then see what happened. So L is at negative 1, negative 2. And L prime is at, that looks like negative 1/2, negative 1. So we went from 1 to negative 1/2, or from 1 to 1/2, and then from 2 to 1, so we're going down by half. So that's a dilation of 1/2. You can check other points just to make sure that it's the same. So here J prime was at 1, 2, 3, or J was at 3, J prime is at 1 1/2. So half of 3 is 1 1/2. So we are correct. Okay, and This one looks like we got bigger. Our A is here, A prime is here. So A is at 2, 0. A prime is at 4, 0. So that got twice as big. So dilation of 2. Here that makes sense because here we're at 1, 2. So then we should be at 2, 4, and we're at 2, 4 for n prime. So yep, we are correct. All right, good luck with your assignment. Ask questions if you need to.